Wow, Simon, this property looks awesome.
It's got it all, Mike. Fully renovated, 4-bed, 2-bath, multiple living. It's even got a pool, Mike.
Pool? Swimming pool?
And here we are in the heart of the home. Fantastic open plan, beautiful polished floorboards, flow to the al fresco, and just have a look at this kitchen.
Caesar stone bench top, built-in oven, dishwasher. Wow, everything you need is here. All right, Simon, we're in the house. Let's jump into the pool.
You sure that tower's going to be big enough for you, Mike? Mike, don't you want to go grab your togs?